Hello, my name is Hannah and I'm one of your student content shapers here at UoB. Come along with me to a lecture to find out how to use the MyAttendance app to record your attendance. Did you know that it's mandatory to record your attendance in any taught session you attend, such as seminars, lectures, and other teaching sessions? This is so you can meet the professional requirements of your course and we can know that you're doing okay or if you can benefit from using wellbeing support. Luckily, the process is super easy, just 3 simple steps. Once you're prompted by staff to register your attendance, sign into the MyUoB app using your phone or laptop. Click on the MyAttendance tile and enter the 8-digit code from your lecturer, which is usually read out or displayed on the screen before pressing the register button. If your session isn't listed on the app, you can still register by clicking on the Session Not Listed button and typing in the 8-digit code there. And it's as simple as that. Don't forget to record your attendance during or within an hour of your session finishing. For more information and where to go if you're having problems, check out the MyAttendance page on the student website. So have fun attending your lectures and don't forget to record your attendance.